How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King, where I catch you guys the most precise bottoms in the stock market, and I'm going to show you exactly how I do it with my system, and I'm going to go over ticker PEGY, PEGY. But before I do that, I have a premium Discord that I like to share. It's only $6 a month, cheapest Discord, and it comes with entries and exits of my favorite trades that I'm going to show you just like this one I'm going to show you. But I'll put this link into the YouTube comments. So, we have PEGY. Pineapple Holding, this stock has got annihilated. I'm going to show you the daily chart, and I'm going to show you exactly why I've been looking for this and being very patient on this one. Obviously, you're not going to get the most, exact bottom, but you can get pretty freaking close. And as long as you have a good accumulation rule, which I developed in my that I share with my Discord members, once you join, you get that. You'll be fine with this strat. This strat is very nice, and I'm going to make it as simple as possible in this video. So you have the green band. This is your buy zone. Red is your sell. Blue is where price has to correct to. As you can see, price is not balanced when it goes away from the blue band, and then it goes back up and makes a lower low. So you you're gonna have these down moves, correction, down move, correction, down move. It's just constantly making lower lows, but you're getting these little pumps to make you massive gains. The last time I saw PEGY on to the lower band was right in here. You accumulate these shares, and look at the massive returns it went. 79%, I would have took that gain, not gonna lie. And then it goes up 90%, another 60%, and then it just keeps going up. That is very extremely rare. No one's gonna catch that full move. Usually you sell at the blue band max and you take your gains. Another area right here, it pumps a little. Right here, pumps a little, goes up to the red band. So those are some few examples in the past. Now we had to try to repaint the picture of what the future is going to be. No one can predict exactly what's going to happen. We can just use, assumptions and, chart patterns and our strategy. If this does this, this should do this. That's what trading is about. It's probabilities, and no one's perfect at it. So I want to make that disclaimer. So with this strat, we're seeing a big candle below the daily. Right here, this is the daily candle below the bands. Now you saw last time what happened. It shot up to the red band. It does not mean it's going to do that again. But what I'm looking at here, obviously it's extremely low RSI, 11.75. But that's not what you want to look at. You want to look at first for the buy signal. So the candle goes under, and then obviously they had news that the offering, and then they're diluting, so of course it's going to do that. But I want to show you something, a little hidden secret. The KDJ, this first candle was a 10. It's too high for penny stocks. I'm telling you, too high. Next candle was a 7, and then the next is a 5.95. That's a good indicator that we're kind of here bottoming out. And if you want to look at distance wise, right, you can see there's quite a big distance right here in the gap. I've been doing this strategy long enough. Right here you see the gaps are filled, but then right here you see this black area, a long bit of gap. So you can honestly make a very conservative target at the 18-cent region just to retest this lower band. And 10 cents to 18 cents, guys, that's super freaking good right there, right? Almost 100% gain. Who would not want that overnight? So obviously, you never go all in on penny stocks. Penny stocks are really volatile. As you can see, it went down 50%, 30%, another 30%. That will drain your account if you go all in. So you got to have proper accumulation rules. And I look for lower time frames, volume, market sentiment, price action to get a precise entry. This does not mean I just get in right away. There is a lot of things that I look for to get that precise entry. So this is a solid play. PEGY is definitely on my alert. I actually alerted it, and I will show you guys the premium Discord, just a little preview, because obviously if you don't have an exit plan, you'll bag hold. So, I don't mind showing you just a preview of what the trade alerts look like. You click on trade alerts. This is my premium Discord. Once you access it, you pay $6 a month. You get all this. Obviously you will see right here. Limit order to buy PEGY at 0.1029, and I say that's my first order. I have increments of orders that I discuss once I scroll up, a paragraph that discusses it. And then I say limit order to buy PEGY at 0.091. So, I looked at the chart, I liked it, I looked at the lower time frame, I was looking at price action, so I put two orders in here in my channel for my everyone to see, and then you can accumulate the shares at those prices. You never want to just go in and just buy at one. You want to have some powder because penny stocks, are very stubborn. You once you think you had the bottom, you don't. But just based on what I'm saying, based on what I showed you in the back test of this strategy, this is a very nice average to start going in. Looking for that 18-cent conservative target. Longer term is 42 cents. It's not going to get there because this band's going to correlate when price goes down. But so you want to look more for a conservative target. I always tell people you never get the first two big red days, and that's part of this system right here. The third day you can start accumulating and looking for that price entry there. So yeah, this is the premium Discord. I show you kind of what a trade alerts, and I now have a setup video that will tell you exactly how to get all these indicators and my strategy in a more in-depth video. It's like 30 minutes long, and it will educate you guys a lot to know exactly how to find bottoms. And yes, bottoms can be fine. You do not have to chase stocks that are up 100% and then you bag hold them your whole career, and then you end up selling for massive losses. You don't have to do that. You can get in early before the rest of the crowd, and then you can sell your shares to those people that are chasing. So that's the whole purpose of this strategy. And I know a lot of people are looking at PEGY. You guys are obviously looking for a bottom if you're watching this video, and I don't blame you because I love PEGY, guys. This thing is going to do a nice run, and that's why I alerted it. I'm very patient. I want the market to come to me, and this one came to me. So this is PEGY. Join the premium Discord. I'm going to put the link into the YouTube comments below. You kind of got a little preview exactly what it's looked like, and you probably saw some of my other trade alerts that I alerted in there. So there's some freebies for you, but obviously you don't know my exit plan because I do exit before I exit, before I get out myself. So if I make 20%, you should make 20% too. And my entries, I tell you before I get in myself. So that's the beauty thing about this, and it's all for $6. Can't be beat. You can cancel anytime, but I promise you that price cannot be beat. And that is a very, very good price compared to a lot of other Discords that charge hundreds of dollars. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what your averages is. Any little engagement helps the YouTube algorithm to share to other people, and it will let this video be shown to other retail traders that are looking for reversals and how to find them with this unique strategy. A little bit about me: I've been doing this for over 6 years. It's made me quit my 9-to-5 job and made me stay consistently profitable. Yes, there's no perfect system, but we get a very nice idea of where the bottom is going, and we can get as precise as we can with this system that I just showed you. And the most important thing is following my accumulation rules, and you'll be fine. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the Discord if you watched this long. And you guys take care. PEGY is gonna pump.